get all the awesome tea too.
So, do you remember what Joe Laoshan was telling us? So this process will be called shaqing. So, yeah, so what they're doing here is called shaqing. So you basically roast the leaves in there to kind of kill the pigmentation. And then you'll put the leaves in this kind of machine like this to roll them. 哎，师傅，你这里买茶吗？我们想买点茶。可以。但是因为我们看到你自己在做，我们觉得应该比较好，不是那种就是在游客的那种。So you see they've got the green tea and they've got the black tea down here. 哦，谢谢你，谢谢。Dude, this is what I want.
This is it.
Yeah. Hey guys, I want to interrupt this video briefly just to recommend a product to you. If you're thinking about coming out here to China to train martial arts or just to travel or whatever, but you're concerned about accessing your foreign apps on your phone, YouTube, Facebook, everything like that, a lot of people nowadays are recommending VPNs, but I'll be completely honest with you, speaking from experience, a lot of the VPNs are not working reliably here in China anymore. And so I'm going to offer you an alternative solution, and that is an eSIM by Arello. So Arello offers a range of eSIMs for different countries and regions all around the world, not just for here in China, but if you are traveling and you're in need of an eSIM, it's honestly a lot better, more efficient than, landing in the airport, trying to find a store where you can buy a local SIM card, worrying if the store's even going to be open, if you're arriving, early in the morning or late at night, worrying they're going to give you the best deal. You can have that all ready to go as soon as you land. And if you are here in China specifically, their China eSIM accesses a Hong Kong data network, meaning that you can get onto fully unrestricted internet without the need of a VPN. As you can see from the skyline, I am right here in Shanghai. I'm not using a VPN. I'm accessing YouTube, I'm accessing Instagram, I'm accessing Facebook, all of which without using a VPN, just from Arello's China eSIM. Now, if you sign up using the link below, you can get 15% off your first purchase or 10% off if you're a returning customer. It's really a great opportunity and I can't recommend this app enough.
So in there you've got all the piles of leaves that they're using the baskets to kind of they've got piles of leaves, tea leaves in the sun, drying out.
Exactly. And they've
here it's all piled up.
Picked it straight. 你们的茶是在后面的山摘的
Mantis 山上采
就是在那边后面
就是靠海也有，靠山也有对，都有。那山里边和山外的茶味道又不一样了因为山里的气候和山外的气候不一样因为你在山外很热，但是你进来因为它靠海会很凉快，然后山很高，气候温差很大所以说口感又会不一样。
So the flavor will be different depending on if it's inside the mountain area or if it's outside. 然后他就过来旅游，他就来几天，我就带他来看看中国。他第一次来。
对，中国很多大好河山都可以去看一看。你们来青岛也可以去五四广场看一看呀。
就去过，前几天都在那里。
因为那边之前举办过残奥会和奥运会，奥帆。然后我们崂山茶呢，因为它是这样，因为南方茶的味道第一泡就是会比较浓一点，第一泡就出味了。但是北方茶不一样，因为北方茶它会比南方茶更耐泡一点，但是它会看起来会比南方茶粗枝大叶一点，所以说它喝第一泡味道是最淡的。你们喝的是浓茶，所以第一泡就不为水，第一泡就为茶。
明白。
但是如果你们喝那种半手工的清茶，那它第一泡为水，就从第二泡开始喝。所以说你们喝的这个浓茶，它第一泡就是茶，就可以开始品尝。对。
谢谢。
有限嘛，所以说就会放一点大家仅供参考的，可以喝的，品尝一下的。
Be quite a lot lighter. Okay, let's try Laoshan green tea. Yeah, it's very, very fresh. What do you think?
Oh yeah, great. Thank you so much.
You can kind of almost taste the sea breeze, right?
Yeah, it's light. It's hard to describe, but it's like without being disappointing. Like it's not it's not watered down, but it's very southern.
卷就是它
哦，我
不是会
明白，对对对，明白。
对啊，你们看它会打成这种卷。
So you see, this is the sort of more traditional way that they do it in Laoshan, the way that they roll them.
机器的它会可能会细一点，手工的它会粗一点。
So the machine one will wrap it sort of tighter, whereas the hand one will be a bit looser.
然后机器的炒出来，它颜色会淡一点，手工的会深一点。
And the color will be different as well. The machine one will, I guess, affect the color a little bit. So the hand rolled ones will be darker in color, she said.
也泡出来的茶叶越黄。对。
对，你可以看到它有一点黄黄的。
对对对对。
So the Laoshan tea she's saying is kind of, it goes a bit yellow, like the leaves after it's brewed, which is different to tea in the south of China, which is very much greener.
Even the liquor has like a kind of a yellow.
Yeah. Right, so we're now going to have some black tea. They didn't used to make black tea in Laoshan until more recently. When I first came to Laoshan, not first came, but when I came here in 2012 was when they just started making black tea. 你们这个红茶原来是不做红茶吧？我记得我是12年来了一次，然后我发现他们是刚开始做红茶那时候。
因为我们这的绿茶会比红茶更出名一点，销量会更大一点。所以说我们一开始是以崂山茶其实是以绿茶出名的，但是到后面就开始有红茶了，因为冬天喝红茶养胃，所以说很多人就会选择冬天喝红茶，夏天喝绿茶。所以说慢慢的红茶也上市了。它不是说绿茶和红茶是一起上市的，是绿茶先出名的，崂山绿还有崂山红的。
You see the difference in the color with the tea. We've got the black tea out, the green tea's out there drying. This 些茶是已经就是弄好了，还是还没有去泡？
半成品。
你们是把那些就是茶根什么再拿出来吗？就把这些是不好的吗？Man, the smell in here is just absolutely amazing. Man, the smell in here is just absolutely amazing. The air is just absolutely full of the smell of fresh tea being baked and roasted. The tea that we've just been tasting is made right here in front of us. What did you think? Your first time to have?
Dude, it was awesome, and I'm used to doing the pot method where you brew it for 2-3 minutes, maybe even less than that, but to just have them brew it for a few seconds and trying the black tea, which you said was new here, the green tea, really light, really refreshing, subtle flavor, really, really good.
To have the tea grown from earth at Guanglang.
Yeah, and I'll tell you if I don't like something culinarily, but this was great. And to see it being made here by this family, they live behind this shop, I mean, it's kind of touching, for lack of a better word. I mean, maybe it's just a romantic in me, but I love it. I love seeing all these baskets being made.